Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to send super hearts on Instagram. To do this it's very simple. You have just to open Instagram and after that open the stories. Let me turn off the volume. And to send like super hearts you have just to long press on the heart on the bottom right of the screen, and as you can see we send a super heart. I will repeat it again. Long press and voila, we sent a super heart. And this is the easy and simple method to send super hearts on Instagram. And of course, to send super hearts you should have Instagram Plus. I hope that you had enjoyed this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Do like this video and see you in the next one.